Hello everybody and welcome to Miranda Detailing. Now in today's video I don't have a lot of during shots. My camera was dying at the time. All my batteries have been used up and I just had a little bit of charge on one of the batteries, so you're going to see a lot of time lapse. But I tried to get a little before and a little during and some after shots to show you what we did to this 2005 Pontiac GTO. Now this poor thing definitely needed some help. The paint was in rough shape. It was extremely dull and hazy and marred up, and the roof and the trunk section basically started to fail. Now I think it was repainted. The owner wasn't quite sure, but by the looks of it, it looks like it was repainted and it was not repainted well. So it started to fail, it started to oxidize. However, we were able to remove the bulk of that oxidation. I'd say probably around 80% or so. It certainly glossed it up, but as you will see, the oxidation is still within the paint. You can still see it when you look up close. But from a few feet away, the vehicle definitely looks better. So this wasn't going to be a swirl removal job. This was basically just to give it a light polish, to amp up the gloss, to get rid of that oxidation, and to just make this Pontiac GTO look much, much better. So hope you enjoy the video. The GTO is finished. Now, I know that poor thing needed a lot of help, but the owner is going to be selling the vehicle. He wanted to make it look as good as it could look, and he's going to put it on the market. Now, as you saw also, we refinished the headlights. So if you have any questions about our process, how we did that, I know I didn't get a lot of during shots before and after of the polishing process itself, but as you have noticed in some of our other videos, which I'll post up here in the corners, I always forget which corner it is, but you can see those polishing services that we offer, either the one-step or the 2 to 3 step paint corrections that we offer. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Again, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below, and give the video a like, share it with others who may enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop. Also, by clicking that bell, you get notifications. So we'll see you next time. Have a great day.